English verbs. Other future aspects. The future perfect uses will or won't, then have, and the past participle. It names acts which happen between the time of speaking and a given future time. It is the same as the future simple if you say before or by the time, and a future act. With only a time, be careful to tell the difference. Never use it without a time. The future perfect continuous uses will or won't, then have been, and the present participle. It names acts in progress at a given future time. It's useful for anticipated anniversaries. Don't use it with state verbs. It emphasizes the time span. The future perfect emphasizes how many times it happens.